once you download this app, MT5, like I showed us, MT5, a MetaTrader 5. Once you download this app, let me go to Play Store and let me show you the sign. What you look for when you get to Play Store. Search for MT5. You'll get this sign. This MT5. MT5. So you download this app. When you download the app, when you download the app, you can get their demo account. Doesn't matter. I'm going to show us how you open an account with Deriv, because we are going to practice with Deriv. Then get their demo account, link it up with this MT5. I have already link up my own. Like here, this is a demo account. So what you see here, where these things, where they are important, all this trade, news, mailbox, journal, all of these do not really matter for now. Where you concentrate are the quotes. See, we have quotes here. Quote shows the instruments, all the instruments that are here. If you get up here, you can add other instruments, the ones that are not there. If you are looking for any instrument, you can. All of these are instruments. Basket, car, all this, they are all instruments. But let me take us to Forex Major, the ones that are tagged with USD. So we have here Australian dollar here versus US dollar. You can add it. Click here. If you click here, it goes down to the other side. Let me show you. It is here. It is here. Aussie dollar US. Aussie US dollar. Now you can add another one. No, this is the last page. Is the last down here. This is the last one here. Let me add another one. See. Let me add another one. Like, let me go to volatility. Let me add this volatility 100. You click, marks it. So it is here. Oh, I'm going to show this pattern in today's. Okay, let me finish with these charts. This is a chart. This is what I do. I stay in 1 hour time frame. I watch 2 windows at the same time. 1 hour time frame and 5 minutes. 5 minutes gives me the signal to enter. Why I watch those signs here and then watch what is happening. It gives me an edge. Now look at that pin bar or that hammer. See hammer here. After this, see there was a red bar here. Red, it was coming down. There was a red bar here. And this hammer showed up. See where it went to. Even went up down here. Let me show us engulfing. Okay, this one is harami. See a harami pattern here. Harami. See, it was going up. It was going up. A green bar here. And a red bar shows up. And then develop more than half of this green bar. See where it took you to. You sell and you make money here. Let me show us engulfing pattern. This is an engulfing pattern. See, a green bar is here. But this red bar shows up and eats up the entire green bar. See another engulfing here. Green bar was here. And this red came up. This red, if you compare with this, it's engulfing. See another engulfing pattern here. It takes you down. You go down. I can show us with 1 hour time frame. This is a pin bar here. This is a pin bar here. The tail is, this wick is longer than this head. See, it is that same pattern that brings this down. Even this one is also engulfing. So you can have more than 3 patterns at a time. Look at this. Look at this. If you compare, sometimes you can compare three bars at the same time. Like this. This can be, if it is up, you can call it morning star, but this is a pattern that shows you this market is going up. Because these 2 bars can eat up this single bar here. So you will see this. This is today, for today. This hammer here takes you up a little. So this is today. So these things, you see it every day. Every day. You can see this every day, developing every day, every minute, all the time, in different time frame. So when we are practicing, I will show us how I do this. Like I stay with 1 hour time frame, 5 minute time frame. But then I use daily time frame. I use daily time frame to see what happened for that day. Like this empty. If you come here, the chart here, if you touch any part of this body, it will show you, can give you the time frame, different time frame. This M1 here is minutes, 1 minute. M5 here is 5 minutes. M15 here is 15 minutes. 30 minutes here, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. What I do every day is when I wake up very early. This daily bar ends by 12. So this one start by 1. So when I come here, I will see what happened yesterday. Yesterday bar was very small. It was coming down and the bar started getting small. What this will tell me is that the next bar will be bullish. Just giving me a perspective. I'm not so sure. But what I will be looking for today, whether I will wait for a sign for it, I will go up because this bar is small. But this bar can also tell you that it's a continuation, that it will go down. So what we do is that you just wait till you get confirmation. So I will look at the day because you are trading within a day, intraday. Now, if you touch any part of this body, you see this. I will go to 4 hour time frame and see what is happening there. Then this 4 hour time frame, see, these patterns are developing. Higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high is here. Then it came down up here, higher to form a higher. It has not broken this one, but we can say this is a high, and this is a low. So I may be anticipating that it will be going up. Then it breaks this high and goes up here, but the market came down again. That is why we are not so sure. And these are equal lows, equal. They are all equal here. So I will keep waiting for a sign for me to buy. But if you are an expert will still get into this market and make profits. Because if I were to trade this market here, seeing this developing, this red bar was big, but this is a green bar. It is a green bar, and this is a green bar showing me this kind of is not really a hammer, but it's like kind of, if I compare these 3 bar, I will buy into this bar. See how long this bar is. Then coming here, it shows me a red bar. I will not buy again. See where the market is going, selling. And I'm so sure this market that is coming like this, it is coming to test this support level. So it will come down and test the support level. If I were to wait with anticipation that today will be buying, I will wait till when I see a sign around here that it will be buying. I will buy because I will make more profit buying than selling for today. So when I look at the 4 hour, then this is 1 hour here. So I use daily time frame, 4 hourly time frame, 1 hourly time frame, and then 5 or 15-minute time frame. If you go to 15 minutes, 15 minutes can be your entry. You wait for a sign. What I will do here is I will wait till this bar start giving me a sign. I will wait till I see a green bar, and that green bar should tell me something. This market may be coming to test this level here. 15 minutes. Test this level here. So you wait. I will wait till it stops. If you wait till this bar ends, you see where it ends. Then you wait till this bar ends, you see what happened here. And we continue to wait till this bar ends, see what happened here. And then you continue to wait. But as a professional, you can sell from here because this is engulfing. This is engulfing pattern. If you sell, you make money. Even to get out from here, you make good money. And this is another engulfing. This sign does not really show harami because it has not eaten, this green has not eaten up half of this. So you see it continues to goes down. So even here will tell you that it will continue to go down. So this is harami here. This green bar was big, but this one it's more than half of this bar. You sell. So this you see this, you just have to be so focused and attentive that you see this thing developing and you take advantage of it. So let's move on. I was showing us MT5. The I was showing us MT5, how to manipulate, how to work around it. This thread here shows you if you have a pending a pending trade. Let me enter a trade. Let me enter a trade. I will sell this trade here. I will sell here. See this where I touch. Okay, see where I touch to have that. This green shows that I'm in this window. I can make this window only one window, but I choose to because I've been using it to trade. So I can, if you touch this other side, shades highlight this other window. So anything you do will be within this window. So now, if you touch here, if you touch this body again, it disappear. That time frame disappear. If you touch here, you can have an immediate sell and buy win this bar for you. If I want to, let me show. I wanted to show how it to show on this. This is a demo account, so I don't have nothing to lose. I will take risk and buy this. I'm buying this market now. So it means if this market goes up, I make profit. Let's look at the trade. See, there's a trade here. So it means the market has gone up. I'm making profit. But let me close this because I don't want to trade. I'm showing us how that place will show. Now it's going down and it's putting me in red. It's putting me in red. But let me leave it. It is a demo account. But I want to get out with profits from this trade. For surely I will get out with profits. So if you are this trade here will show you a uh, a trade that you are. Let me close this. It's coming. If you touch it, you see these options here. You can close it manually. You can close it with your take profit at the level that you put. So then this history shows you what you did. See the profit I made 0.11 cents from that trade. Messages you don't have issue with this. You don't have to go, you don't need it. You don't need it, but you can be looking at it. It is in your this thing. So but you don't have more time to, the time you spend will be here. Quotes, charts, shows you these bars, trade, shows you your live trade if you are in a trade, and then history just show you what you did for that day. You can change this history, you can check it for today, last week, last month, last 3 months. You can customize it, put your dates, any time frame you want. So this is MT5 everything, but the more important place you spend most of your time is here because these are where you see the bars and where you take the readings and where you enter your trade. If I click here again, this disappear. If I click this place again, everything comes down here. Here is where you can put your pending order. If I click here, see this line coming up here. It's telling me sell limit, stop loss, take profits. Now I can carry this bar. I can carry it if I want to pending order. If I want to buy, if you cross where the market is, changes the option to buy limits. To buy limits, stop loss, take profit. You can set it here. So now I can, okay, when the market gets down here, it should carry me up. I'm buying this market. So when this price here comes down to here, it should trigger me into this market and then takes me. So I will set my stop loss. Stop loss will be below this line because I am going to buy. Then take profits will be above. So this means when this market triggers me in and then goes up to this point, it will stop and give me profit. But if it is against me and goes, let me put this, let me set it up. If you click that arrow, then place it. I have placed an order right now. See the order here, placed. It means that is a pending order, buy limit. When this price gets down here to this line, it takes me into this market. And then if it goes against me to this line, it shut me out so that I don't lose much. Then if it goes up to this point, it gives me profit, it shuts me out. It will shut down and then give me profits. You can see the same thing here because it is the same instrument that I'm putting. It is the same instrument, but this is in 15 minutes and this one is in 1 hour. You can see what is happening in 1 hour, that the market is coming down here, and you could see the same thing happening here. But there's different now is here there is consolation. This here the market is consolidating. Like let me take this down here. Let me take this box. Let me take this. The market was consolidating here for a very long time. Was consolidating here for a very long time. Let me, I'm going to have that, this box here. You go here, you have this sign here. You click here, you have it. See the box here. I'm going to pen that box now. I'm going to pen that box now. Going to let's go back to the chart. You see the line has changed from red to green. Let me paint it again. If you touch the body here, touch the body, then get here. Fill it. Going to fill it with a color. Let's go back to the chart. You will see the color is here. So if I do this, I will be watching what is happening within this box. And here breaks. There was a breakout here, and you see where it's going. So the market was consolidating. When it consolidates like this, and this same box is the same place here, this place here, and this is a breakout in a higher time frame, 1 hour time frame. For sure, if you sell this market, you make huge profits. So this is MT5, and I've shown us some of this some of the how to manipulate it. You can do anything with this. This is where you can set up your moving average. Here you can add moving average like 50, moving average 50, period, moving average. Can change the color to maybe here. Then you save it. Let's go back to the chart. The moving average is here. Let's go back to the chart. See the moving average. 50, simple moving average. This shows as it breaks here and this moving average is down, the market is up, and you could see how it was staying up till it breaks here and then stays down. So this you can do anything. If I want to add this RSI, we are still here. See, this is highlighted. This particular window is highlighted. You click the body here, then you go here, see this sign here. I'm going to add RSI. RSI, relative strength index. Let's use the default. It's in 14 period. Default. You can change color here, but let's use that color. Save it. Let's go back. See here. This other one shows you when it gets down here, shows oversold. When it gets to 30, it shows you an oversold. And see what is happening here. It has oversold and then it's going up. When it gets up to 70, you know the market has overbought. It will certainly go down. The market has oversold. It will get up again. When it is 50, you know, okay, the market may be ranging or indecision in the market. So these are the few things I'm going to show us today. Then I will continue. Please get this demo account because we will practice. Certainly from tomorrow I will show us, like I will show us those time frame I use, then how to enter the market. Now it's just to show you how to go around this MT5. So thank you.